When your windshield washer fluid is low, you'll get a notification on the top bar of your center screen. When you click on the notification, it'll say that your windshield washer fluid is low. Open the front trunk or frunk of your Tesla. Just like any other car, it's located on the front hood of your car. But unlike any other car, this is the only maintenance that you have to do in your Tesla. Then go grab your anti-freezing windshield washer fluid. Pour it in carefully. A funnel is highly recommended. After you're done refilling your washer fluid, the error message will go away. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more informative content like this in the future. If you have more questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down in the comment section. You can also reach out to me on other social media platforms as TESLAPEG for direct messaging. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day.